guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we're looking at the VW Passat B8 2-litre DSG TDI from 2015. This car is nearly 10 years old, and we're going to be talking about the maintenance that helped this car reach the mileage that it actually has. So we're going to be showing the maintenance that you can do to your car so your car can last just as long as this, if not even more. The number one thing that this car has been doing and what you can do at home to maintain your car is change your oil and oil filters. You either change it every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. And I gotta make sure that you understand how important it is to change your oil in your car. If you don't change it, it will really damage your engine and shorten your engine's lifespan, and we don't want that happening. So the next best thing that you do is a full service. A full service happens every 1 year, and a full service includes an oil filter, fuel filter, engine oil, air filter, and a cabin filter. So this means, apart from the oil and filter change that you should have already done when it comes to 6 months, there's 3 more that you gotta do, which is your oil, fuel, and cabin filters. So the reason that you want to change these parts is that if you don't and one of them fails, you're basically going to destroy your engine, and that's it. Tata, goodbye. Now we're going to be talking about the timing belt and water pump. You want to change this roughly every 80,000 miles. And the main reason you want to change is if one of these things go wrong, you could potentially destroy your car. And we don't want that happening. So when this happens, your old coolant gets flushed out and some new coolant gets put back in, and this prevents your engine from overheating and any other potential damage that could destroy your engine and your car. So we recommend you do an engine flush every 100,000 miles. If you get past 1 engine flush, I'd be very surprised. Basically, what an engine flush does, it gets rid of any carbon buildup, any gunk, any sludge that could be in your engine, and it makes sure that your engine is running nice and smoothly. So now we're going to be talking about the brake fluid change, which happens here. This happens every 24,000 miles or every 2 years, whichever comes first. So the main reason that you want to change your brake fluid is to make sure that it doesn't get dirty and ineffective. So one thing that a lot of people forget to change is the gearbox oil. So for this DSG gearbox, we change it every 40,000 miles, and we recommend you guys do that too. So the reason that we tell you to change your gearbox oil every 40,000 miles is that if you change it maybe 60 to 80,000 miles, your gearbox just won't last as long. Simple as that. So in this car, we've changed the gearbox oil and the filter every 40,000 miles, and we use the manufacturer's recommended parts. And here we got the Redex injector cleaner. We recommend you put this in your car every 50,000 miles. What this does is obviously keeps your injectors clean, helps improve fuel efficiency, and prevents any clogging that could happen. So the part that you guys have been waiting for, the mileage that this car has done. Let's take a look. This car has done 215,000 miles. If you want to be precise, it's done 215,028 miles. That's crazy. That's more than 8 times across the whole world. Imagine that, 8 times across the whole world. If you want your car to run as smoothly as this after it's done 215,000 miles, make sure you follow the maintenance tips that we said in this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have a high mileage car, what maintenance did you do? Leave it down in the comments below.